How are you? Okay, oh, you are very fine. I am also very fine. Okay, welcome to our second sessions of the story, The Race. Do you have any assignments? Okay, good. Okay, what are the assignments? Pardon? Oh, idioms. Okay, very good. Idioms. Okay, did you finish your assignments? Shall we check it? What are the idioms you used in Ravi's diary? Red letter day. Very good. Any other idioms you used in the Ravi's diary? Okay, pros and cons. Very good. Pros and cons. Any other? Oh, cats and dogs. Very good. Cats and dogs. You wrote the Ravi's diary in a very beautiful way because by using the idioms. Okay. Shall we familiarize the new idioms? The red letter day. Very good. Any other idioms? Pros and cons. Very good. Pros and cons. Any other? Cats and dogs. Very good. Cats and dogs. Okay, I think you are familiar about the idioms. Now, we can familiarize some new idioms. Are you ready? Okay, I am going to introduce some new idioms. Red letter day. Pros and cons. Pros and cons. Cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. Fed blue. Ball in one's court. Once in a blue moon. Bed of roses. Herculean task. Blue blood. Crocodile tears. 11th hour. In black and white. Red tape. Okay, dear friends, you take your notebooks and write down the following idioms. Okay. What is the first idioms? A red letter day. Please write. Okay. A red letter day means an unforgettable day. Did you finish? Okay. What is the next? Pros and cons. What is the meaning? And arguments in favor of something. Did you write? Okay, next. Cats and dogs. What is the meaning? Heavy rain. Cats and dogs means heavy rain. Felt blue. What is the meaning? Felt blue? Feel sad. Feel sad. Ball in one's court. Ball in one's court means somebody responsibility to action. Once in a blue moon. What is the meaning? Once in a blue moon. Okay, happening very rarely. Bed of roses. Okay, what is the meaning? Bed of roses. Okay, situations or activity that is comfortable or easy. Herculean task. Herculean task means an extremely difficult task. Blue blood. Blue blood means noble birth. Crocodile tears. It is very familiar. Do you know the meaning? Crocodile tears. Crocodile tears means tears or expressions of sorrow that are insincere. Okay, next. 11th hour. 11th hour means at the last moment. At the last moment. In black and white. In black and white means in writing print. In writing print. The red tape. Red tape means excessive bureaucracy or adherence to official rules and formalities, especially in a public process. Okay, did you complete? Okay, you can write all this on your notebooks and study the word meaning. Okay, friends, we can use these idioms in a sentences. Are you ready? Okay, take your notebooks and write down. Red letter day. Tomorrow is her red letter day. She always celebrates it with a big party. Pros and cons. We should hear all pros and cons of the matter before we make a decision. Cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs and I don't want to drive. Felt blue. Yesterday I felt blue and nothing seemed to cheer me up. Ball in their court. I sent the agreement over for them sign, so the ball is now in their court. Once in a blue moon. The earthquake hits once in a blue moon. In this part of the earth we never felt it. Bed of roses. Life is not a bed of roses. Herculean task. During the pandemic, wearing a mask of ours was a Herculean task. Blue blood. Don't spend money like blue blood, rather save it for the future. Crocodile tears. He should hiss crocodile tears when ant died. 11th hour. Negotiators reached agreement at the 11th hour just in time to avoid a strike. In black and white. I won't believe in black and white. The last one, red tape. Became of the old red tape at immigration. I missed my connecting flight. Okay, dear friends, you can write it and read, study that idioms. I hope that you studied some new idioms. Okay, we can go for the next session. Are you ready? Okay. Do you remember the story of the last class? Okay, good. What is the name of the story? Good. The race. Who is the main character? Okay, Tarun. Okay, good. What kind of student, Tarun? He is a mediocre student. He is good at athletics. Okay, he is a very good sportsman. What about his family? Yes, he has a elder brother. What is he doing? Okay, he is studying in very famous college. He is an engineer. Okay, yes. Where was Tarun sitting? Does anybody comes to meet him? Okay, let us read the story. Everybody should follow me. Dear friends, let us continue the story. Suddenly he heard a voice at his elbow. What's it, son? Tarun turned to his left, and there sat a man of about 60. I failed in 2 subjects, he replied in a depressed tone. The man smiled sympathetically and said, Life is full of ups and downs, my boy. By the way, I am Ram Narayan, and you are the one of the best runners I have ever seen. Ram Narayan? Ram Narayan? Are you the same Ram Narayan who won the Olympics medals in the 400 meters race in the 1960s? Tarun could not hide his excitement. Yes, but came the reply. Tarun was dazzled. Son, I have been watching you for the past 45 minutes, continued Ram Narayan, and I see a good future in you. Tarun could not help but blush. All you need to do is keeping that passion burning in you and never give up. Have you joined some training school? The man inquired. Tarun's smiles faded and he seemed distraught. A training school is very expensive, sir, and I am unemployed, said Tarun, feeling happy that he could not jog even in these circumstances. But Ramnarayan seemed pretty serious. I will train you if you want, but I put forward a condition. What's your condition? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Children of your age are competing there. If you participate and win that race, I promise I will start training you, said Ramnarayan. That is no big deal. I can do it, can't I? Thought Tarun. I will, sir, he heard himself saying with complete conviction. Fine, boy. It is my job to get you entry in the race, and remember, yours to win it. Tell me, what's your name? Asked Ramnarayan. Tarun Kabusa. Tarun, I will meet you here after 5 days to give you your participation card. All the best, said Ramnarayan and left. On the way home, Tarun thought that if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. The next day brought a new ray of hope. Tarun got up early, had milk, and before his mother could finish her query on what he was up to, he ran out and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. He was very happy indeed. Tarun started practicing zealously. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. In the evening, he would time himself according to the 1000 meters distance prescribed by the competition. He wanted everything to be perfect. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfections in things he did. He thought. He also wanted someone to back him up, and so he told everything to his mother. Tarun practiced vigorously for 5 days and then promptly met Ramnarayan to collect his participation card. He gazed at the piece of paper on which his names had been printed boldly. It means so much to him. However hard, I must win this race, thought he. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Hi friends. What did you understand from my reading? Did you understand the story? Okay. A man came and met Tarun. Now Tarun is very sad. He is very upset. He wanted to become a fast runner in the world. But Ramnarayan said that, why are you sitting here? Do you have any problem? Okay, sir, I would like to become a good runner. The Ramnarayan said, okay, Tarun, I will help you. The Tarun just looked at gentleman and said, sir, who are you? Ramnarayan said, I am Ramnarayan. When Tarun heard that name, he became very excitement and said that, "Oh Ram Narayan, are you the same Ram Narayan?" Because he heard about a lot about the Ram Narayan. Tarun became very happy and Ram Narayan promised, "I will train you, but because one condition." What was the conditions? That Tarun has to participate on the Children's Day and win the first place there. If Tarun win the first place on the Children's Day, the Ram Narayan will train him. But Tarun became very happy and he got lot of happiness and he reached at home with a happy mood and he dreamed he would become the fastest runner in the world. The next day the Tarun got a new hope of ray and he practiced for 5 days very vigorously. So Tarun hard worked for 5 days and practicing continuously and he would like to participate that winning competitions. And Ram Narayan asked him, "I will collect the participation card and you can come on that day and we can meet." At this time, the Tarun is not bothered about his hard work. He is practicing very sincerely because he wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family. Okay, and also you remember you have to read the story at home and find out the difficult words and look up the dictionary and find out the meaning. Are you ready? Okay, now we can see the questions with answer. Okay, I am going to ask some questions. You try to find out the answer.
What made Ram Narayan say life is full of ups and downs?
Answer is Ram Narayan wished to calm Tarun, who was depressed, and thought of encouraging him by this general statement about life. Okay, do you think Tarun's meeting with Ram Narayan would change his life? What is the answer of these things? Okay, Tarun replied in a light manner that he was unemployed and so he could not afford the expenses of a training school. He also wondered how he could job in such circumstances. What made Ram Narayan say that it was his job to get Tarun entry in the race? Ram Narayan agreed to train Tarun on conditions that Tarun should participate and win the race conducted at the Nehru Stadiums on Children's Day.
How did Tarun prepare for the race?
Tarun got up at 4 in the morning and practiced zealously every day, running up to 10 miles. In the evenings, he would time himself according to the 1000 meters distance prescribed by the competition.
Why did Tarun really want to win the race?
Tarun wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family and that he could be good at something at least. Okay, dear friends, shall we go for the next area? Okay, I am going to give an assignment. Ram Narayan saw Tarun sitting lonely on the bench. He looked desperate too. Ram Narayan went near him and inquired the reason. Write the possible dialogues between Ram Narayan and Tarun. Did you understand my assignment? You have to write a dialogue in between Ram Narayan and Tarun. Okay, dear friends, I am showing you the 4 examples there. 2. Okay, please you read it. What is the first sentence? Okay, life is ups and downs. Friends, this sentence, life is ups and downs. Okay, dear friends, I will show 4 sentences. What is the first sentence? Yes, the life is full of ups and downs. In this sentence, we can divide it into 2. The one part is subject and another part is predicate. In this sentence, life is full of ups and downs. Life can be written as subjects. What is full of ups and downs? Life. Who is doing the actions? Life. What is full life doing? Is full of ups and downs. This is the action. So, the life is full of ups and downs. The life is subject. Full of ups and downs is predicate. Okay, we can follow the another examples. You will get more ideas. What is the next sentence? Yes, a training school is very expensive. What is very expensive? A training school. So a training school is subject. Is very expensive is predicate. What is the next sentence? Children of your age are competing the. What is the predicate here? Yes, of your age are competing the. What is the subject? Children. Okay, good. What is the next sentence? Tears were rolling down his cheeks. Okay, please tell me what is the subject? Tears is the subject. What is the predicate? Okay, were rolling down his cheeks. I think that you got some ideas. So now I am giving assignments to you. You have to fill that chart. You can complete that assignments on your notebook. Okay, we can see. Bye bye.